I'm trying to do my makeup in the viewfinder, which is actually an awful idea, especially for the first day of school. This year we're gonna try to not put too much pressure on the first day of school. No, I have a mirror. Great idea. I'm literally a junior in college, so by that logic, not taking into account COVID, this is like my 15th first day of school. Did I do that weird? Probably did. I don't know. It's early. But I just wanted to say, hey guys, good morning. Today is the first day of school. My school starts pretty early. I go to Pepperdine. Early as in today is August 29th. I'm not ready for the first day of school, and I will check in with you later, but we're trying to be optimistic right now. Little things to update you on, however, I'm not doing the hottest on time right now, but basically, long story short, it's my first day. I have 3 classes today. I have a semi full looking schedule. I decided to film this video this morning, as I have a habit of doing for a lot of my college videos. I will be bringing you guys with me, share a bit about my first day, my school that I go to, which is Pepperdine. I think I said that, I don't really remember, and yeah, it'll be a fun time. Hopefully I don't complain too much. Hopefully this puts you in the mood for back to school too. Either way, thank you guys so much for coming with me. Obviously I'll chat more with you as we go along, but I'm running a little bit late. So funny that I've been wearing these more. Maybe it was from the one time that Alex made me wear them for a video. I swear I used to never wear them. Like, I think I brought them to school last year and I wore them like once. I'm not mad about it. They're cute. Okay, let's check out the first day of school outfit. Okay, honestly, a little bit professional. I'm probably gonna take this off. It's just for purely for warmth, but this is what's going on. Guys, is this not the sweetest thing ever? I love my roommates. As much as I would love to be a morning person, I unfortunately am not. But I am bringing breakfast, which is an important part to your first day of school. I do make coffee though. I really do absolutely nothing special. I'm a cold brew gal at heart. I swear I have the sweetest big tooth. The sweetest big tooth. But something about straight cold brew with no sugar has been hitting. Struggling to film right now. Hey guys, so I was actually going to take the shuttle this morning. We do have a shuttle running here, although our campus is pretty small, especially to certain dorms and stuff. But I decided to walk to talk to you guys. Look at our cute wavy grass on campus. Guys, I'm a little self-conscious to be filming as I'm walking, but I want someone to talk to, so I'm talking to you guys. Not really a peppy person in the morning, but we have to play it off for the first day of school. I also will say a lot of freshmen, hey freshmen, if you're watching this, hello to me, and it actually like makes my day. So you are actually my encouragement. I heart you. You can't see my heart, but I love you guys, and I hope you have a good first day of school. Hey guys, just a little update. I just finished my first class and I forgot that I still get really scared to film in class. So probably not going to be that much footage in there, but I have a little lunch break because this year I actually decided to give myself time for lunch. I'm taking a little break, doing a little work, and then I have a couple more classes today, but going good so far. Hello! Guess who I'm grabbing lunch with? Hi! Our CAF updated their food, so it's supposed to be a lot better, but like, look at this. Okay, this was actually stupid. I paid like $4 for this because I didn't weigh it. But look at this. The bowl's so cute. We have a poke bar now. What do you guys have for Hi guys, I finished class and now I'm at my office space. little tour. But I'm working on some graphic because I'm on basically the student programming, like event planning team. It's kind of fun because I just get to procreate and doodle. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's like work, but it's fun. Skip to the present, time to paint. So happy ever. It's been a day. I used to be a huge school person. I loved school, and I still like the school environment, but I don't know if I can honestly say I'm starting off this year strong because I'm mad stressed. And my school just starts so early that like I shouldn't be here right now. Ugh. The vibes in my first 3 classes. French was rough, guys. I'm so bad at French. Someone help me. Accounting, also so rough. And I have to take a public speaking class. And I know, yeah, I have a YouTube channel. So different. Public speaking terrifies me. But at least I get to paint. Oh, and also I have to walk so much. I want to check my steps for today though. But that's just because I'm dumb and I couldn't figure out the shuttle. I'm checking. Wait, what the heck? This is actually a joke. I don't even have 5,000 steps. I walked so many flights of stairs. What was my other class? Oh, religion. Religion was chill though. New Testament. When I first cooled down. Hi guys, it's a lot later, but it is still the first day of school. And Alex and I are organizing our due dates, our class like syllabus stuff, because I don't know, I feel like there's a thing on TikTok. Alex actually sent it to me. Super organized, most organized guy ever here.
But the TikTok actually,
No, you want to tell them what it says?
Well, no.
They're not gonna like it. She sent it to me and was like, you should do this for me.
And then she calls me and she was like, hey, yeah, let's do this today, but you're gonna do it.
Because teach.
Don't tell me give a man a fish eats for a day, teach him a fish.
Oh, I was gonna say that. Okay, come on.
It's not Sean.
No,
come on.
That's what I did.
Come on.
Your email. Oh,
it's kind of bad. Oh,
should I cut my hair?
Bad first day of school. This is like in the movies, coming of age movie.
What do I do?
Oh no, don't cut it.
I spit my gum out and this fan was like in my face and it literally flew into my hair. It was actually the dumbest thing I've ever done. Oh. This is where our first date, not actually a date, spot was.
Not actually a date?
What? Oh, actually it was.
It was totally a date.
It was our first date, sorry. It was totally our first date.
I don't know about this.
I don't have the storage for that. Hey guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually beat up from today, the first day of junior year of college. I guess that's just what happens once you're an upperclassman. To sum it up, because I haven't checked in a long time, after class, painted for a while, was doing kind of work stuff, and then went out with Alex for a little. We got Malibu seafood, which if you're ever in the area, best fish and chips. Then what did I do? Came back, we had a little roommates meeting, talked to them for a while, and now I'm gonna go shower and sleep. Can you believe it? I am like thrilled to go to sleep at 11. So tired, but thank you guys for coming with me. My first day of school. I don't know this well because I was kind of complaining a lot, but hopefully you guys all have a good back to school season and a good first day of school. Wish you guys all lots of luck. Feel free to rant if you're excited or scared or nervous or anything for school. Love to chat with you. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Why you keep going out of focus though? Oh my gosh, this is not aesthetic right now. Oh god, way too many people. It's actually so embarrassing. Camera's been through so much today. It's like I'm living in a dream.